if you've lost a tool, here's a trick to help you get it back. Under Tools, let's say it's the Volumes tool. I activate it, and now I hit alt+space+m, and my mouse has become 4 arrows. So if I hit the arrow key, I can see it moving. I can also move it with my mouse now that I've engaged it with the arrow. And click. Let's try it again. alt+space+m, and move it. You can also just use the arrows, alt+space+m, if you know which way to go. If this tool is missing, you don't know where it is, try using your left arrow. And if that doesn't work, try using your right arrow.